Why do 80% of students struggle with online platforms? It's time to change that. Welcome to your Ultimate Canvas 2024 tutorial. Whether you're a newbie or just need a refresher, we've got you covered. First things first, let's log in. Head over to your school's Canvas page, type in your credentials, and boom, you're in time. Now see that dashboard? It's your new command center. Here you can check your courses, assignments, and announcements all in one place. Need to join a class? Hit the Courses tab, click Join, and enter the code your teacher gave you. Easy peasy, assignments stressing you out there. Click on To Do, and it'll show everything due soon. No more missed deadlines, and don't forget to check out the inbox for messages from your teachers and classmates. It's like your own mini email system. So there you go. With Canvas 2024, you're set for success. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below. Happy learning.